Hey there and welcome to this video. My name is Judy Rena. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be talking about my skincare routine because a while back I made a video on how I manifested clear skin, and that one's been probably my most popular video so far. So I really wanted to make this video to kind of give you more of a really hands-on way of how I maintain my skin, how I take care of it on a day-to-day basis. So really when it comes to any kind of body maintenance for myself, I really just try to stay as natural as possible. I really believe in the body's natural ability to heal. I really believe that our body is so much more intelligent than we are, and it has all of the capabilities to kind of maintain balance, keep yourself in health. So the less we interfere with it, the better. The most hands-off approach, I think, is always going to make you healthier. So when it comes to products, first of all, try to use as little processed products as possible. It's kind of like what you eat. I try not to eat anything that's processed. I try to eat whole foods that are natural, organic, and really just try to get those fruits and vegetables. So it's kind of the same mentality when it comes to my skincare, is that I just try to do as least processed as possible. And what I mean by that is I just don't use chemical products. I don't use commercial products. I don't use facial cleansers, moisturizers, toners, or anything else like that. I just don't think that we need them. I think that our skin naturally has its oils and its ways to maintain, the pH of your skin, and the less you interfere with it, the better, the more healthier it's going to be, the more it's going to glow, and the healthier that you look. Okay, so let's get into my actual skincare routine. First, I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup, then I'll go into how I rinse my face. So first things first, before I do anything, I'm going to wash my hands and get them nice and clean. Then I get an oil. I'm using grapeseed oil right now, and I just put a little dab onto my fingertips. Then I use that oil to break down my mascara and any other makeup I'm wearing. I take a clean, reusable cotton pad to wipe that makeup away. And then I go into my regular skincare routine. This is the same if I'm not wearing any makeup. I normally do this right after I shower. I'll turn the cold water on and just use that to wash my face. I don't use any soaps or cleansers. If I happen to wear more makeup that day than usual, I'll use my all-natural bar soap that I have in the shower to gently get that extra gunk off. But for the most part, I try to stick to just the cold water so I don't remove all of the natural oils on my face. Next, I pat dry with a clean towel. If my skin feels good, I'll stop there, but normally my skin feels a little bit dry, so I go back in with a dab of a non-comedogenic oil like grapeseed oil and massage that all around. I like grapeseed oil because it's really light, it doesn't feel too greasy or too thick. I also recommend rosehip oil. It's a non-comedogenic oil as well, and it really does wonders for acne scars, so I used to use that a lot. And that's it. That's my two-step process. I only use one product and it's all natural. It's made from the earth. And that's really what keeps my skin looking great. And I found that really not using face cleansers anymore has really allowed my skin to work its own magic. It doesn't need to overproduce oils and all the time because I'm not constantly stripping myself of oils. A few years ago, before I started adopting this routine, I used to have to go out and buy those oil blotting sheets all the time, especially in the summertime because my face was so oily. And nowadays I realize that I haven't used those in a really, really long time because my face doesn't feel super oily. It feels really natural. It feels just perfectly in balance. And sometimes if I need a little bit more moisture, I'll just take a little bit more of the oil and dab it on my face. Just a little tiny amount. I don't need to do a whole lot. One thing I did forget to mention is that I will use Aztec clay. I'll use a clay mask if I feel like you know, there's extra buildup on my skin, or maybe I just need that pampering moment. So when you switch to a more natural skincare routine, I definitely recommend taking it step by step, taking it really slow, because as soon as you introduce new products or introduce a different skincare routine, your face might break out. So you want to be very patient about this. Definitely take it slow. Maybe just change one thing at a time. Maybe go from, if you're using like a regular cleanser from the store, maybe just try doing a gentle soap for a little while, and then once it gets used to that, just take out the soap in general. But right now, this routine has really worked for me, just the water and oil method, nothing else. It saves money, it saves you time. You don't have to go out and try all the new products that are coming out, and you don't have to spend a whole lot of money on expensive skincare products because you just don't need them. So I take the same approach with my hair and my body and everything else. I just try to keep it very simple and very organic and natural. I think the less products that you use on your body, the better. You know, when it comes to even brushing my teeth, I don't use regular toothpaste. It has too much stuff in it that you don't need. I just use a peppermint essential oil or wintergreen essential oil, and that's it. I have a whole other routine for that too. If you are interested in watching a video on that, leave me a comment so I know that you want to hear more about that. And then same with my hair care routine. I just use a really gentle shampoo bar, and it really allows the oils to stay on my scalp. So just working with your body's natural ability to maintain itself. So I guess that's it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe for more videos like this. On my channel, I like to talk about manifesting, positivity, wellness, self-care, self-love, things like that. So if you're into that stuff, definitely hit subscribe and share this video if you liked it. And until next time, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Take care. Bleh.